Why is the ocean so fun? Waves, of course. They're beautiful to watch and fun for surfing, boogie boarding, or just simply jumping over them. Waves are the number one reason why thousands of people flock to the beach every season. Our class at Middle Township Middle School is making an effort to explain how waves are created and what to look for when at the beach to make sure they are safe.
Varying air pressure causes small ripples in open water. Ocean water generally cools warmer air, causing the air to become more dense and lower in the atmosphere. These ripples are made larger by the wind, which transfers energy to the water. Ocean swells become larger based on three factors: the wind speed, the wind duration in a certain direction, and the distance the wind travels
across open water in a pattern known as sets. The water molecules within the swell move in a circular pattern beneath the swell. The circle generally goes as deep water, the water as the height of the swell above the water.
There are several parts of waves that help us predict and understand their impacts on the coastline. The top of the wave is called the crest, and the lowest point between the waves is called the trough. The distance between crests is called the wavelength. The time that elapses between one crest reaching a location to when the next crest reaches that same location is called the period. Wave height is determined from the distance from the crest to the trough.
Friction that causes the lower part of the wave circulation to slow down. The upper part of the wave does not slow. This change in circulation causes the upper half of the wave to rise and break at a particular water depth related to the height of the wave itself.
The energy of the wave pushes water onto the shoreline, but eventually the energy will reverse and go back towards the sea. This continual uprush and backwash of water rip currents can develop. These occur when large uprush of water return to the sea in a strong backwash. These especially occur near the breaks and sandbars, near piers and jetties. The greater the wave height and the more frequent the wave period, the more likely there will be rip currents.
Swim safely, recognize the situation at the beach, and remember, know before you go.